Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and in this video I'm going to tell you why I think every RVer should have a pizza oven. Now, pizza ovens don't only cook pizzas, they cook many different types of food items. And it's kind of a substitute for a toaster oven. And in the past I have used toaster ovens quite a bit, but they tend to be fire hazards. I've had 3 different types of pizza ovens now, and never have they started even a little bit of a fire. Whereas many times when I used to use toaster ovens, they did cause small fires that I had to put out quickly. So let me show you why I'm really sold on pizza ovens and why I really like the new one that I just bought. Now, this is the pizza oven that I've always had in my RV ever since I got it, and I've really enjoyed it. And it can cook anything that is not more than about 2 inches high, and it does cook on both top and bottom. So I really liked it. However, it's always been very difficult to keep clean, and food items will fall in between the grate here. And whenever I cook meat that creates grease, it collects in a pan down in there. However, that grease often finds its way all the way through that pan into the corners and gets into the countertop, and the countertop turns into a really big mess to clean up. Also, this handle is broken, so when I pull it out, it's hard to maneuver because it won't stay out like here like it used to. Now, it does have a dial to cook only the top or only the bottom or both, and then it has a timer on it that you hear clicking. So I've really liked it. However, it has become quite a mess, and because of the problems that I mentioned, I thought I would try something new, a different type of pizza oven. So this is it. It's a round pizza oven. The brand is Current, and it's about 1 foot wide cooking area. It has 2 controls. It has a temperature control, although it only goes from 355 to 410, so that's not much of a range. And then this is the timer, goes up to 30 minutes. It does open up all the way, so you can actually cook things on both surfaces at the same time. It does heat the bottom and the top. So it's ideal for a round pizza, although the type of pizzas I usually use are square, but that works just as well. Now, this is 3/4 inch deep. This is 3/4 inch deep. So you've got about 1.5 inches of cooking surface there. And you can cook just about anything on it. Here is a big chicken breast. And when you close it, it closes down almost all the way. So that will work just fine. It's best if it closes all the way. You get a little more heat kept in it, but that will be just fine. I have cooked some chicken in it already. Worked good. Tonight, I'm going to make a couple burritos and some taquitos. So you really can cook just about anything in it that is not really high. The directions say to use a non-stick cooking spray, and I will have to clean it after most cookings, but I think it's going to be pretty easy to clean, and there's not a pen that's going to collect grease and a lot of other junk. So I think there's going to be easier cooking and cleaning. Now, one of the problems with anything like this is how do you keep it from crashing down onto the floor while you're driving? You just let it sit on the cabinet, and I guarantee you that's going to happen. So you need to find some way of securing it. So what I did was I took off the tops of my cooktop here. This is a gas cook stove, and I just took a regular lanyard and latched it down onto that, and then put this back onto here. So I pull the lanyard across here. I put a little metal loop onto it and this latch. So I just pull this around here and latch it down onto that metal loop. And that holds it really sturdy when I'm driving. So now that I see how much I like this pizza oven, this one is going to go into the dumpster. And I also have 3 propane burners under here. And then I also have a electric burner, which I use when I'm plugged into outside power. And then I have my microwave oven. So that's how I do my cooking. Here is the box that the pizza oven came in, and on the side here it has details about it. I bought it from Amazon. I'm sure you can get it in some local stores. Cost about $50. And the nice thing about cooking with pizza ovens is that they're very versatile in what you can cook with them. Like I said, as long as it's something that's no more than about 1.5 to 2 inches high. So I just wanted to let you know about this new thing I found and how I do my cooking in my RV. Good day, folks.